I enjoy engaging with the students. There's a diverse population of students, and I enjoy engaging with them, networking with them, and helping them not only achieve their goals in their program and their degree, but also to help them do other experiential learning opportunities, such as competitions that we have, and working with other faculty on research projects. And so I love working with students in various ways, not just in the classroom. We do have smaller classrooms here, and so it's throughout the course of the semester, you're really able to get to know each student, know their name. They're not just a person sitting in a large classroom, and you're able to work on various types of classroom projects. And so it's a great way for the small classrooms for the faculty to really engage, but then also to pinpoint and help students to other areas and resources within Towson.